like that. Top of the crease.
Are you doing commentating?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Just never mind. Never mind. Talk to the hand. Elbowing. Get it out. Get it out. Holy moly.
Now I know why you don't school.
Come on, Chiefs, go after it! You know we're on a power play.
Good job. Good job.
Ah! Oh, I caught that too. What are you? What?
This guy was super rough or something? Super rough, catching everyone?
Man.
When we played poker, they were yelling bench and when we were doing line changes and the kids were supposed to throw it at our bench. That's how they got that too many men penalty on us.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. They would have got a second one, but the kid didn't allow the shot.
Ah.
Oh, come on, Melvin! Skate hard, buddy! Laughing at us skating, aren't you?
Positive comments only. Nicely done.
Hey, you got one!
Yeah! Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that crowd. They're so excited. Okay, this guy, security. All right.